Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to schedule or delay email delivery in Outlook 365. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This will load up your inbox and give you access to all your emails and Outlook features. Just enter your login details and wait a moment for everything to load completely. Once your inbox appears and all your emails have loaded in, you're ready to start creating a scheduled email. Look towards the top left part of your screen where all your main tools and menus are located. You'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options for creating different types of items in Outlook. From this list of options, click on Mail. This will open a new email composition window where you can write your message. Now here's where the scheduling feature comes into play, and it's actually quite straightforward once you know where to find it. In the new email composition window that just opened, look for the Send button. You'll notice there's a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that drop-down arrow to reveal additional sending options. This is where Outlook hides some of its more advanced features that give you greater control over when and how your emails are delivered. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option called Schedule Send. Click on it. This opens up a new window specifically designed for scheduling your email delivery. You'll immediately notice that Outlook provides you with some preset scheduling options, which can be convenient if you want to quickly schedule an email for common times like tomorrow morning or later this afternoon. However, if you need more precise control over exactly when your email goes out, you'll want to use the Custom option. In the Schedule Send window, look for and click on Custom Time. This will bring up a calendar date picker interface that gives you complete control over the delivery timing. Here, you can select any date you want from the calendar, and you can also set the specific time of day down to the minute. Simply browse through the calendar, click on your desired date, and then adjust the time settings to match exactly when you want this email to be delivered. This is particularly useful for sending emails during business hours, even if you're composing them late at night or on weekends. Once you've set your preferred date and time, you're all set with the scheduling part. Now you can compose your email just like you normally would. Write your message, add recipients, attach any files if needed, and format the text however you like. The key difference is that when you click Send, Outlook won't deliver it immediately. Instead, it will hold the email and automatically send it at the exact date and time you specified. This means you can write emails whenever it's convenient for you and have them delivered at the most appropriate time for your recipients. And that's it. You've now learned how to schedule or delay email delivery in Outlook 365, giving you much better control over your email communication timing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.